What up, y'all? This is Trizza from Graffiti Counterculture, and today I got about $400 worth of bombing sign stuff that I ordered. And for the first time, I'm gonna do like an unboxing type of thing. So yeah, let's get the fuck into it. Bombing signs is probably one of my favorite shops for graffiti supplies, and yeah, yo, $400 motherfucking dollars, y'all. Let's get into it. All right, let's party. So I don't really know where to start, really, but let's start with the biggest one. Yeah? Alright, let's start with the biggest one. Black Friday sale. So I actually bought some bombing signs during the Thanksgiving Black Friday sale. And yeah, I spent quite a bit of money. I got some murals coming up, so all of this is just one order. So let's see what they got. So looks like we got a cool black book. I actually could use another one of these anyways. This is gonna be cool. Got some fucking Molotov. I got the neons. This is like neon blue, neon turquoise. A lot of dang paint. This is an interesting color. This is like shadow. It's like shadow color right there. Avocado. Some mint. These are all like the high flows, so I can do like some hand styles with these, and then the matte like low flow paints. These are really good. I don't know why, but my favorite part is always like the markers. I don't know why. Spray paint used to be my shit, but now I love getting markers, bro. So these are all free, I think, and I got like a liquid chrome by Molotov, style file marker fine line, the super flow on the run, and a mighty marker, which I've actually never used before. Got no clue what color it's gonna be, but yeah, yo, I'm looking forward to it. So now we're gonna open box 2. This is the second biggest box. I don't know, we probably got about I don't know, maybe like close to like $80, $100 or something like that there, 120 maybe, I don't know. This looks like the bomber pack. So this is gonna be like another neon color, neon green. I know I got like 4 of these. They're like $7, but they're really worth it. They come with really nice caps and everything. So yeah, this is the fucking bomber pack, the dang high flow bomber pack. It came with like every like bombing color you could need, really. So I got silver, I got black. I love how fucking big these cans are, bro. They come with like a pink cap. So this right here are these giant ass cans that are from the bomber pack. It came with like 4 cans of like regular cans, and then it came with like these jumbo cans, and like if you look in comparison, they're way bigger. They send every color you could possibly need for like doing like bombing trains or just doing anything fast. That gold, that silver, black and white, real fast. And these are like the colors it came with. Sand, so that's cool. They gave me gray and they gave me sand. Purple. Dang, makes a fucking nice purple, yo. Teal. And last but not least, they gave me a flex white dang paint. mop. That's dope. We're gonna add that to the fucking marker. Money worth of stuff. I guess we have to add the black book. So this is like the smallest pack that I got. This is the 3 of 3 packages. And so let's see, I got some orange, some flame orange. I love flame orange. It's one of my favorite paints. The way the paint comes out is just really great. It's great for hand styles. It's great for fillings. It's great for like piecing, but it's really, really great because it's high flow. It's really great for doing some hand styles. And then this will be my 4th neon paint. Let's see what else we got. So I got some OTR calligraphy replacement nibs, which are I use the calligraphy marker a lot, so those are going to be really useful. Y'all know I be getting heavy into fucking cutting stencils, so I bought some replacements. Gotta replace them shits. Got like a color thing for all their paints. Nice, we got some more markers, bruh. I have been looking forward to this. This is an empty masterpiece marker. If you check it out, like, just imagine how easy it is to do hand styles with this. It's made in Germany. Molotov for life, bro. I love them. Another style file. Man, I be doing so much stuff in black books that I really, like, I always run out of my blacks. So I got like every version of black fine lines, like the round. This is really important right here. It's like a brush marker, and it's really the best for doing outlines on your, doing like outlines in your black book and stuff like that. Let's see, I got some coupons. And the thing I was actually really excited for was they had these like a whole thing full of a whole mailer, bubble mailer full of random like caps. And this is how many came in it, bro. That's fucking insane. So that's like a lot of caps right there. And I think last but not least, we got a red cream metal tip. I fucking love the metal tips, bro. A calligraphy marker. I love these. These are just great. And yeah, that's really it. So definitely, I got a lot of stuff, yo. I got a lot of stuff. So I guess we'll get busy, like, doing some fucking graffiti and shit. Getting back out there now that I have all this supply. You can expect some more videos from us. This is the first time we ever did an unboxing, so I don't know, yo. It was really fun. It gave me an excuse to spend a lot of money at Bombing Science. But yeah, I just want to thank Bombing Science. I want to thank all of y'all for watching and staying with me, even though I fucking take so many fucking breaks and shit. But yeah, yo, thanks so much for watching. Stay up, y'all. Be easy. Graffiti counterculture for life, y'all. Big up.